Hey y'all, it's your girl supportive mom. Go D-Side, go D-Side, go D-Side, go D-Side, go D-Side. So I'm gonna put this baby on y'all myself. Auntie, grandma, put your own wig on, girl. Take your time and you can do it.
Choosing on the desk.
It's your girl supportive mom, and today I am back. Y'all, I'm gonna put this wig on my head. Y'all see how I'm looking? So what I'm about to do today, I'm about to put this wig on. Cause D-Side told me, look, I got edited and I got things to do myself. That she don't have time to be fooling with me. So I say, okay, hey, don't worry about it. I got up, y'all. I went to Dollar Tree and I'm gonna put this wig on. Cause I'll sit here and watch her put my wig on enough. I'm gonna do it. So this is what we're doing today. I went and got me an edge scarf and Destiny Dominique. This better not grow legs and walk away. Cause I know, when D-Side be putting my wig on, watch how she tied down. I got me some little hair clips to pin it back. So all the edge stuff won't get in there. And I'm gonna use that little Glorilla stuff she be using. She call it Gorilla Snot. I'm gonna use the Ebony Lace Wonder Adhesive Spray. Extreme Firm Hold. And they had this one, I never saw this one, the Ebony Wonder Lace Bone Water Resistant Sports Edition. But I'm gonna use this one. And y'all know I love me some Ebony Extra Firm Hold. So, this is what we're gonna do. Let me put some lotion on here before I be all ashy in this video and want to take the whole thing down because my elbows looking ashy. Be like, I can't do that because y'all know how y'all love to sit up and criticize. So, today, this is what we're going to do. I'm not braiding my hair down. I'm going to lay my hair down. And I know some of y'all going to say, supportive mom, but usually lie you wrong because look how that's laying down. That's actually laying down thinner than a braid on your head. So I'm going to take this, comb my hair back. I'm actually going to try not to edit this video a lot. I'm going to try to just give it straight to y'all. And I went about these little nice ponytail holders. Y'all know the thick old-fashioned brown rubber bands? That's what I went to the store to look for. They didn't have it. And I'm going to take this, and we're going to pull this hair back. And that's what's going to be under my wig. And it's really laying down. And it's flat. So really it's flatter than if I put some braids in there. Oh, let me show y'all something else I found at Dollar Tree before I started. It says Perfect Edge Control by Softy. I found this right here. It's the Perfect Edge Control Best Value Softy. It smells really good. Let me see how I just show y'all how it look on here. Because we don't want no gray hair sticking out on those edges. So we're going to put a little bit of this on here. And am I putting on the stocking cap? No. This is how I'm putting my wig on. Just like this. I got to learn how to do it myself. The reason I'm using this, y'all, is because I can't sleep in a wig. My wig has got to come off. So that's why I'm using this Ebony Lace Bond, because I can take a wet towel, wipe them edges, and snap that wig off. And I can just take my wig if I need to clean the edges up. Get that Ebony adhesive spray out of my wig and put it back on the next morning. And here's the girl, baby, that I'm wearing. And this is a girl that Destiny gave me, and she is a Wild African wig. Okay, Wild African not sponsoring this. They didn't ask me to do this, but I'm doing it. I've had this wig now for about 3 or 4 years. I love her. She's one of my favorite. I washed her last night. She smelled good. So she has a nice lace band in here. So I'm gonna put this baby on y'all myself. So let's see what supportive mom can do. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it, and y'all see I got a comb back here. And I know y'all probably said she gonna have a hump. No, I'm not. I'm gonna take my finger. I'm gonna make sure the lace all the way out. It's already cut. And I got some combs in here, so I'm gonna place these combs. Make sure it won't be slide. Now, I found these nice little hair clips at Dollar Tree. Y'all know I love me some Dollar Tree, right? I have learned from watching D-Side when she put my wig on. With D-Side, y'all, she a pro. I'm not a pro like D-Side. And so I don't want, when I tie it down and put this lace, I don't want that ebony all in here. And gonna take these clips. We're gonna clip this hair back out the way. When I lay this lace, cause y'all my leg don't play. All the Destiny and D-Songs, they gonna be asking me to put their wigs on. Y'all gonna be in my DM too asking me, put y'all wigs on. How much y'all pay? What y'all say for install? What y'all charge? How much y'all pay? Tell me how much to charge. Cause y'all gonna want me to put you one on. You are. Y'all gonna be, oh, supportive mom. Can you hook me up? Girl, yeah, you got some money? And I know I got an edge brush over in here somewhere. Okay. Cause that's gonna come and get my stuff, y'all need to grow legs and walk away. Cause all this little hair gonna have to be out to make sure. Got to lay them edges. Now D-Saw rolls this up some kind of way, y'all. But I can't do it like D-Saw. So I'm gonna have to do it the way I do it. Cause I can't do it like D-Saw. So y'all getting this put on supportive mom style. But what's important is what the finished product's gonna look like. Like this shirt. Y'all, this wig gonna be on my head so bad. So you gonna say, let me hit that subscribe button. Let me watch her channel and check her out. This is what we're gonna do. I got them flyaways, so let's take this little wet brush and lay them back. Because I don't want nothing out here that don't supposed to be here.
Choosing on the desk.
And remember that I've been wearing this wig for a while.
Call fast and furious, got your girl curious. She say she like my Dougie in the way that I deliver it. Baby, she's a lady of the 80s, trading places, not the ordinary girl. You introduced the drag world. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the finest of them all? Dead one or dead one? Man, I just take them all. I ball so they eyeball. Get the digits and I might call. You saw that your lounge look great. Done it all. When I'm in the club, I see them girls looking. Catch me in the kitchen, I see that nigga cooking. Head to toe, don't the boys look nice? They choosing on the guy, from the left to the right. They choosing on the guy, they choosing on the guy. Is it the money or the cars or the clothes or the ice? They choosing on the guy, they choosing on the guy. Girls everywhere, on the left and the right. They choosing on the guy, they choosing on the guy. Is it the money or the cars or the clothes or the ice? They choosing on the guy, they choosing on the guy. Girls everywhere, on the left and the right. Is it cause I'm glossed up? Is it cause I'm flossed up? Maybe cause I'm flexing on these niggas and I'm bossed up.
Now I'm gonna take this edge control, and I'm gonna try to do some decent edges. I don't know if they're gonna look like Dominique shades, but we gonna lay these edges down, y'all.
They choosing on the guy. Is it the money or the cars or the clothes or the ice? They choosing on the guy. They choosing on the guy. Girls everywhere, on the left and the right. They choosing on the guy. They choosing on the guy. Is it the money or the cars or the clothes or the ice? They choosing on the guy. They choosing on the guy. Girls everywhere, on the left and the right.
This wig, while I love her, I can take a wet brush and just squash it. That's why she's one of my favorites. And that paw got to be laying down. Now, if your wig not human hair, don't be putting it straight and call me. At the same time, don't have that part on your head, not laying down. Y'all learned this from D-Side. right here too. That's black, so I need brown. This is brown. When you wash it, the part got to look natural. Now I can pull it down tight, because I don't want to be tugging on it. Ooh! Ooh! I like it. I don't know about y'all, but I think I did a good job right there. Oh, I think I look cute. What y'all think? And of course, y'all know, you're not complete without earrings. Trying to learn how to do my wigs myself. Because sometimes I'm bugging my daughters. And some mornings I get up, I'm trying to run to work. And I'm in a rush. And I have to put it on up on these little red earrings. Because they going to match my little red subscribe button. Oh, I look cute. I know these edges may not be like Dominique Lachey. But they here. I might be black. I might be ugly. But I'm here. Ain't that what she said? These edges here, baby, don't play.
Call fast and furious, got your girl curious. She say she like my Dougie in the way that I deliver it. Baby, she's a lady of the 80s, trading places, not the ordinary girl. You introduced the drag world. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the finest of them all? Dead one or dead one, man.
Y'all see how I look in the back? Because I know y'all curious, because it's not braided. It's laying down. Now let's get D-side's reaction, y'all. D-side!
I like it.
It's okay.
You actually did good. I never like your edges right there. Though. I tell you, brush that down, put your finger there, and brush it up that way.
Put my
But I ain't gonna lie, you did a good job because you didn't glue this down. Normally, all of that, the hair be actually glued down. You separated the edges.
So you say take this.
Put your finger and I pull it back up into your hairline.
Like that.
Yeah, now do it with that one. That little piece on it. Don't act like you don't see that. Pull it up into the hairline. All the way up into the hairline. All the way up. Up. Not to the side. Up.
Y'all, D-side say I done pretty good. So y'all know what I need for you all to do. Tell me how much y'all like my t-shirt. Tell me how y'all like this wig. Y'all aunties and grandmamas, we don't need y'all. Girl, we know how to put our own wigs on.
You don't need us.
We don't need you.
You did good. I
I
ain't
did
gonna lie.
pretty
You did
good.
much better than you normally do.
Oh!
You separated the edges from the hair. Because normally you be gluing that down. And I'd be like, oh my God.
She said I did pretty good.
You did do good.
And then y'all know when you want to feel real sexy, put it
Ooh!
on. Look, take your finger.
Ooh!
And see, they thought it was going to be puffy in the back. It ain't puffy, baby. Don't play.
looks good.
It don't play. Don't play. Long hair, don't care.
Yeah, I like it.
You like it. Comment, like, subscribe to my channel. I hope y'all having a Merry Christmas. Hey, auntie, grandma, put your own wig on, girl. Get you some edge control, some lace bond. Throw that wig on yourself. Take your time and you can do it. Thank you all for watching this video. And y'all know Supportive Mom gonna talk to you the next time. Merry Christmas.